Welcome to the Brightside Telehealth Review. Find service links below. Brightside is a telehealth platform specializing in personalized mental health care, addressing conditions like anxiety, depression, and other mood disorders. It's ideal for those seeking professional support with the convenience and privacy of virtual consultations, whether for specific concerns or ongoing emotional support. Brightside tailors your care. After sign-up, a detailed assessment determines your best treatment, combining therapy sessions, medication management, and check-ins with licensed professionals. Brightside's comprehensive model provides both therapeutic support and medication access from home, perfect for those lacking in-person options or preferring online flexibility. The user-friendly platform has a straightforward sign-up. Once enrolled, schedule therapist sessions, receive prescriptions, and track progress. Brightside offers flexibility, including messaging your therapist between sessions, helpful for ongoing support. Access care anytime via mobile or desktop. Transparent pricing plans with no hidden fees offer various therapy and medication options, making it more affordable than traditional care. Brightside is a comprehensive, flexible, and user-friendly solution for mental health support. If you seek professional care fitting your lifestyle, consider Brightside. Check the links below to get started today.